Hi, this is Stan. Name me one respectable slot car track that doesn't need something like this. All right, let's head out to the shop. Well, disclaimer, if you've got something better to do, you'd better move along now, because this will be a total waste of your time. But I'm retired, so I can waste my time. Anyway, so what's going on? Well, we got this cool gear shift knob here and our ignition switch, and this guy dances around and you go up through the gears, and the sounds are awesome. It's really cool, but to be honest, I don't like this guy wiggle wobbling all around. So, you get something off eBay, first thing you got to do is tear it apart and see what's on the inside, right? Right. Let's open it up. There's our double A's. We'll get these out of here. And we got 5 screws, so we'll get those out of here. All right, done. Very carefully. Don't want to disturb too much of the Chinesium in here. There we go. A little messy looking in there. There's the speaker, battery. Here's the main logic board. Not a lot of thinking going on in here. Mostly switching. Got a little LED display here. Little on-off switch. And kind of a little mini joystick thing going on over here with more switching. A little slot car motor in there. And it looks like this gear spins, and as that pinion rotates, it thrashes this guy back and forth on the top. But I do notice there's under the foot, there's another wire in here. There's another wire that goes up through the dude, and there might be a secondary motor that maybe spins a counterweight or something. There's a spring in there. I don't know. Probably not worth taking this guy apart. So I like the sounds. That's fun. But like I said, it's kind of top heavy, and the wiggle wobble thing is, I could care less about that. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to nip one of the wires to this motor and just make sure that the motor is a separate part. It's not part of the switching circuit. So let's try that. So isolated these 2 little lines. There's the red wire. Can't help but snip the red wire. And I don't know, what do you think on this? The orange wire or the brown wire? I'm gonna go for the brown wire. So I'm going in, wish me luck. A electron stopping snip on the brown wire. and the red wire. All right, let's slip the batteries back in for a second. And when working with high voltage AA batteries, be sure to read and understand all of your safety equipment. All right. Here we go. Let's see if it works. I'm going to take that as a win. Let's put it back together. And we've got some protective electrical tape in here. We don't want any high current tragedy going on in there. Okay, let's get our 5 screws back in there. Let's take this dude back to the track. All right, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. The guy on eBay said this thing was loud, and he was not kidding. Let's fire it up here. And we got our 3 on the floor. Here we go. Second gear. Ooh, missed my shift there. Third gear. Oh, we hit reverse. Hey, I'm out of here. I'll catch you guys later.